If you want to get iPhone ringtone on Google Pixel 10, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So let's go ahead and press search and we're gonna simply write iPhone ringtone. There we go. Of course, you can find a bunch of different apps and they all probably work just fine and in a pretty similar way. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here, so I'm gonna press install. And you can follow the instructions that I will show you to set it up and set the iPhone ringtone, but feel free to try any other app in case this one doesn't work for you. Alright, so once it is installed, we're gonna open it. Now over here, let's press consent. You might see an ad in the meantime. Next, we need to grant the access to music and audio on this device, and then press OK. And allow modifying system settings so that the app can actually change the ringtone for us. Alright, so now we can press on the display button in order to listen to these iPhone ringtones. And once you find the ringtone that you wish to set, you can tap on these three dots on the right side. Next, tap on the ringtone over here on the left side at the bottom. Of course, we have an ad, so let's wait to close it. So, okay, let's press X, and there we go. So the ringtone should be set successfully, but just to be sure, we can open Settings, go to sound and vibration, and let's change the ringtone volume. And yeah, it actually changed. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.